In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Gmail quickly and easily. This is a super helpful setting if Gmail is showing up in the wrong language, if you want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, or if you're helping someone customize their inbox for the first time. Changing the language in Gmail only takes a few seconds, and once you know where the setting is, it's very easy to do. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before changing any settings, especially if you manage more than one email address. After you're inside Gmail, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear or cog. Click that settings icon to open the quick settings panel. From there, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page, where you can adjust everything from your inbox layout to language preferences and more. Now that you're on the settings page, make sure you're in the General tab. This is usually the first tab and it contains most of the basic account settings. Scroll through the General settings until you find the section labeled Language. This is the part you need to change if Gmail is currently in a language you want to switch away from. Under Language, click the drop-down menu. A list of available languages will appear on the screen. Carefully select your preferred language from the list. Take your time here so you choose the exact language and region you want, especially if there are multiple versions of the same language. Once you've selected the new language, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This step is important because Gmail won't apply the change until you save it. At the bottom, click Save Changes. Gmail may refresh automatically after this, and when it reloads, you should see the interface in your newly selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Gmail. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in how comfortable and easy Gmail is to use every day. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.